Buy XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, is designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border payments. Buying XRP involves selecting a secure platform, choosing the right payment method, and storing your tokens safely. 1. What is XRP? XRP is a digital asset developed by Ripple Labs, known for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees. It is widely used for international money transfers, making it popular with financial institutions and investors alike. 2. Where to buy XRP? Centralized exchanges. Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, Bitstamp, and KuCoin offer XRP trading. Decentralized exchanges. DEXs. Some DEX platforms support XRP swaps with other cryptocurrencies. P. 2P marketplaces. Peer-to-peer trading platforms allow direct transactions between buyers and sellers. Third, payment methods for buying XRP. Fiat currencies. Use bank transfers, credit debit cards, or payment services like PayPal, depending on the exchange. Cryptocurrencies. Exchange Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, or stablecoins like USDT for XRP. 4. Steps to buy XRP. Choose an exchange. Register on a platform that lists XRP. Verify your account. Complete KYC. Know your customer. Verification if required. Deposit funds. Add fiat or crypto to your exchange wallet. Place an order. Buy XRP through market orders, immediate or limit orders, specific price. Transfer to a secure wallet. Move your XRP to a private wallet for added security. 5. Best wallets to store XRP. Software wallets. Trust Wallet, Exodus, and Atomic Wallet support XRP storage. Hardware wallets. Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X provide offline storage for maximum security. Ripple-specific wallets. XUMM Wallet is designed specifically for XRP and Ripple transactions. 6. Why buy XRP? Fast transactions. Settlements in 3 to 5 seconds. Low fees. Extremely low transaction costs compared to other cryptocurrencies. Scalable. Handles up to 1,500 transactions per second. Bank partnerships. Ripple is used by financial institutions worldwide for cross-border payments. 7. Things to consider before buying. Regulatory challenges. XRP has faced legal scrutiny from the US SEC, impacting its availability and price. Exchange support. Some platforms delisted XRP due to regulatory issues, so ensure availability. Transaction fees. Check deposit, trading, and withdrawal fees on your chosen exchange. 8. Best time to buy XRP. Market corrections. Buy during dips for potential long-term profits. Before Ripple partnerships, news of new bank or financial collaborations often boost demand. High trading volume periods ensures better liquidity and lower price spreads. Buying XRP offers investors a fast, low-cost cryptocurrency with real-world use in global finance. By selecting a reputable exchange, securing tokens in a safe wallet, and staying updated on market trends and regulations, you can invest in XRP confidently.